Have you ever wondered why some people always seem broke, no matter how much money they make? The truth is, it's often not about income, it's about habits. Today, we'll reveal 7 money habits that quietly keep people poor. Most people pay everyone else first and save whatever is left. Successful people do the opposite. They save and invest first, then spend the rest. If you don't tell your money where to go, you'll wonder where it went. Without a budget, small expenses slowly destroy your financial future. Impulse purchases feel good for a moment, but they often create long-term financial problems. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. If that income disappears, your financial security disappears with it. Saving money is important, but investing allows your money to grow. Without investing, inflation slowly steals your purchasing power. Many people spend money trying to appear wealthy instead of actually becoming wealthy. Financial education is one of the highest return investments you can make. The more you learn, the better your financial decisions become. Let's recap. Stop paying yourself last. Create a budget. Avoid impulse buying. Build multiple income streams. Start investing. Stop trying to look rich. And never stop learning about money. Which of these habits are affecting your finances today? Let us know in the comments. And subscribe for more practical money tips that can help you build real wealth.